All right, Rachel has just yelled at me, said she's over this week. Customer yelled at her. People were torturing her.
You're bothering me right now.
That I've been bothering her. I didn't even really say 2 words to her today at all. I didn't. But anyway, Jude's out on a road test with the
testing some data
2019 Chevy Equinox 1.5 turbo
with a overboost code.
For overboost code. Jude finished the repairs, and then we're going to show you the video while he was driving it on the scan tool.
Bring it over. If you go through, we're looking for boost pressure. We want between 20 and 35 pounds.
So spec is 20 and 35 pounds.
Between 20 and 35, but remember, this is also reading stoichiometric.
We don't even deal with them.
Or not stoichiometric, atmospheric value. So it's not a true 35 pounds of boost. It's
well, how long was your road
like
test
20.
recording?
Well, we do, but like usually they'll cut you a
Too
check,
far from the vehicle?
Yeah, of course. Well, I turned the ignition off. So
Yeah, but that should be recorded in the scan tool.
I know. I don't know why I just did that.
Some fast talking jerk for $1 wiped a smile off my face after I just paid $1 to get a smile on my face.
So we go through it. I was beating it. This is the entire time.
You said you were beating it?
I was spinning tires.
Well, you have to performance test it. You don't have a choice.
But we're going. This is atmospheric value, like 14 some change. So it's not requesting any boost. Then we start to get on throttle. It requests 30 pounds here. Then that value rises, and then we get off throttle. That value goes back to atmospheric. But we don't hit overboost at all from what we see. We get close. We hit 30, 32, 34 pounds, but we're not at overboost yet. So
it never went over 30.
It barely went over 35. It was like 35, like 9.2 or
what?
something. Between 20 and 35.
Oh, so between 20 and 35.
But we had one little blip right around.
Yeah, but could you hit 35 on part throttle?
No, you have to be wide open. Like foot through the
So now go in here and see if there's any pending codes.
Okay.
I don't believe that you're going to see anything. I do believe we fixed it. Turn the car on. The headlight assembly for this car from the dealership was near $1,500. Great, the people who buy these new cars, you are in for it. The car is not under warranty. You're not in an accident. Ridiculous.
Nothing in the ECU.
So I'm wondering if overboost is a live PID or a live constant monitor. I meant to say. Sorry.
Oh yes, definitely.
I wonder if overboost is a constant monitor. And I wonder because it said if it was under boost, if the boost pressure sensor was reading out of spec, meaning it was under or over while the vehicle was idle, it would log the problem. And then it said if it was over boost, if it was while you're driving and it was in boost, because it's using different sensors to tell what the boost is, including the map.
Yeah, what the boost is.
Right.
And what it's requesting.
It's looking boost pressure, map sensor, and I think throttle position. I think. I forget that's what all the information was. And the paintwork on the hood is horrible. Whew, man, when people complain about my rattle can work, this was done at a professional shop. I'm going to show you why we're at it. Give you a closer look. So that's the hood was repainted, right? And then I'm going to show you the fender paint so you can see the difference in it. And then the hood. The hood's actually a different color too. But the average person would never notice that. I could have rattle canned this car the same way that somebody else did and it looked just as good. Look at that. Oh, how cute is that? That's accented headlights. The dealership for this headlight assembly, I think, was $1,500 or $1,200 our cost.
Yeah, I don't see any issues with that.
Yeah.
So
Crazy for a 60,000 mile car. All right, guys, it's getting near us wrapping our day up. Thanks for watching.